Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and I kind of hinted yesterday that I might have been just a little bit naughty regarding the yarn buying yesterday. And I did show you a little bit of what I'd bought, but there was an awful lot more. So I thought I'd share that with you now, and I'm hoping that I can see. I've had to draw the curtains because otherwise it completely makes my face a little bit on the bleached outside. So I might have to just pause the video a second while I see if I can find a little light source. Hold on just one moment. Thought I had my other phone in here and I don't, so we'll just have to squint. Maybe that will work. So while I was shopping, I went into B&M stores, and they haven't had this in for quite a long time. Now this is heritage yarn, Supersoft twist yarn, and it's a chunky. Really like this, love this colour. I'm going to try and read the might be able to see it. It's 80% acrylic and 20% polyester. It's one of the reasons it's so soft. And it's got total yarn length of 110 meters approximately. And it is machine washable. It's lovely and soft. So I got 1, 2, 3 in this absolutely lovely colour. I say it's a lovely colour. I used to hate this colour, and there's a good reason that I used to have this colour as a school uniform. It was a dress, and because it really put me off the colour, having to wear it every single day as a school uniform, which I know it's an unusual thing to have, a dress of that colour, but I don't mind the colour again now. School's a very, very distant memory. So I got this colour as well, and I absolutely love this. The only problem with these balls is they do tend to come out a little bit and get a bit unruly, but let me see if I can see what the colours are. I don't think they have a name, they just have a number. No, they just have a number. It is, wow, 2600185. What's the other colour? Would have been so much easier if they'd just had a name. Sorry, I had a little interruption there. The blue greeny colour is 4500266. So yeah, these, oh, that got stuck on the door handle. Look at that, and they're lovely colours. So I was quite pleased with that because I'd not had any of that for a long time. And while I was in there, I don't know if you remember, I bought a little while ago some of this kind of pastel shades with the sparkle. And because I wanted to do a little giveaway with some of it, and I also wanted to make a couple of projects, I got some more. So it's baby sparkle yarn, and it's just called, I think that's all it says, baby sparkle yarn. Sometimes it's called heritage and sometimes it's got other names, but this one just says baby sparkle, so I can't really tell you any more than that. And the shade on this is S for Sierra 000315, and it's a lovely minty green. And I also got a blue, a lovely pastel blue. They've got lots of lovely shimmer in them, and this colour is S for Sierra 000319. But I didn't stop there. I didn't stop there at all. I got a really gorgeous lilac with the shimmer. Basically got one of all of the colours I could find except white. Oh, they did have a cream. I didn't particularly like that one. This is S000706, if anybody can get to B&M and wants to get it, or whether you can get it online. Oh, guess what? I did buy the white. I just didn't get the cream. And this is the same numbers. Oh no, it's not. It's S011K010. That's completely different. And I got one of the very soft pinks. Lovely. This one, where's upside down when I pick them up, is S000217. So being as though they're all going to be the same, I will try and see the yardage, but it's white with silver, so I can't actually see it in this light. So I'm not sure if you can. If I can just try to make it out. No, it's not going to have it, because I have to shut the curtains, otherwise the light is outrageous, and I can't find a little torch, but I will pop it in the description box. I will pop all of the yarns and all of the details in the description box, so if you want to see them, then please, in the drop down box where they've got, if you're on a phone, it's a little arrow, and if not on a phone but on a computer, it's the show more. Didn't stop there. No, didn't stop there. I've seen this before and I've got it in a different colour, but I absolutely love this colourway. Now, Poundland had this in a 50-gram ball, something very similar in this warm colours, and they don't have it anymore. They have kind of a cold colour, which I like, but nowhere near as much as this colour. So I decided to get some more of this, and this is just called Baby Two Tone. And as you can see, it's got that white twist in with it, which do really look lovely. Now this is shade 1A, item code 292924, made white with lilac, that says. 100-gram ball, trying to see if there's any yards, but again it's silver writing, so I don't really have a hope of seeing that. Again, it'll be in the description box. And I got 1, 2, 3. I'm running out of places to put them. 4. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that. It's got all pinks, lilacs, oranges, all the warmish colours in there. Love it. Absolutely love it. So got a couple of little projects in mind already for that. So that was my little haul from B&M, but I didn't stop there. No, I didn't. I went in to another little store close by, and this one doesn't have a yarn label, but look at that colour. Isn't it lovely? Really love this blue. And I've had this before a long time ago. There used to be a store that sold this yarn where I got my King Cole in Chatham, but I haven't seen this for a long time, and it's Premier, just called Premier, and it is really lovely and soft. It's a very inexpensive yarn. I won't say cheap. It is an inexpensive yarn, but it is really lovely, and the colour on this one is called Cornflower. And most of the yarns, apart from that first one that I got, were DK. All those others were a DK weight, so that's a 3 weight. And this is 100% premium acrylic, which is why it's so lovely and soft. And it is a very inexpensive brand, so it's absolutely lovely, I think. Very good quality. And it's approximately 310 yards or 285 metres. As you can see, I've forgotten to bring my glasses in, and not having very good light, that's kind of not helping me at all. So I will put everything, as I said, in the description box below. And it's a shame this one didn't have its label, but it didn't matter because it is identical, so I didn't mind so much. But I didn't stop there either. I went into I can't remember what shop or store it was, but I managed to get this Fab DK by Patons, and I had a tiny ball left over from something, and I don't know, it's just such lovely vibrant colours. I just wanted to get another one. I did edge a blanket in this one, so I had a summer bright coloured rainbow blanket, and I just did an edge all the way along and it looked absolutely lovely. And I also went around my phone lead all the way around in because I was fed up with people stealing them. They would say, oh, can I borrow your charger? And I'd give them my charger and I'd get a really awful one back. So to stop that happening, mine is, you can spot it a mile off. But guess what? I didn't stop there either. No, I found this. And this is just ultra fluffy eyelash yarn. And I've got 4 balls. Now it's going to be really difficult to see this. It's just called Fancy That. And that's absolutely tiny writing. Now the shade is called 1 and the dye lot is 1. So don't know how many they make, but it's a 50-gram ball obviously, and it's black. But I'm just trying to find out if I can see any meters on here. I don't think it displays it. Looking at the label, there's nowhere for it. It's just got what knitting needle, 7mm needles it recommends. But if I can find, there we are. It's just the usual kind of eyelash. Now I've used this before. It is a absolute nightmare to try and crochet with, but not if you use a strand of ordinary yarn with it. But I have knitted scarves with it, and 4 balls make you a lovely long scarf. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that now, but I'll just keep it in my stash for a while. So that was almost it. That was what you've not seen before, but the ones that you have is the cotton that I did a little bit of showed you yesterday. This cotton silk by King Cole, which cotton silk finesse, absolutely beautiful. So I bought this at the same time, and I did tell you all about that yesterday. And my little yarn ball, as you can see, there are 2 in there. These are absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop playing with them. They're just beautiful. Look, little ball of yarn, and you press the button and it goes back in. It's so cool. It's got centimetres one side and inches the other. I'm absolutely in love with this thing. And I've got 2, so someone's going to be lucky. Well, that is all I got. All I got. That is what I got. That's why I said I was a bit naughtier than just the King Cole cotton silk. But I have to say that all that I bought, this was the more expensive, because obviously it's King Cole, it's cotton silk, and I didn't just buy that in there. I bought a few other little bits and pieces as well that pushed my bill up. But this is so soft. And so that was it. I did go a bit crazier than I wanted to, because I'd bought so much yarn lately, and I really do need to start doing a bit of stash busting and a few giveaways. So I bought a lot of that yarn with that sort of thing in mind anyway, so you never know, you might see it again. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there's no videos. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.